up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is John the Adventures. If it is your first time to come across the channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll always be notified every time we upload a video. So, guys, on today's adventures, I take you to Kilifi and what is happening over there. So there is this situation surrounding the Clarice, and Clarice was featuring in the African uh, village lifestyle videos that from the AVL channel. So, so, guys, recently we saw a video that Clarice did with Lynette, and they had planned for a comeback or working together. But guys, the people that are working behind the scenes, they really want to see that Clarice do not partner again with Lynette. And guys, we can see how they have been working together, and at least we can say or see that something have been happening in terms of development and improvements, because one of the symbols we see of the peaceful coexistence or working together between Lynette and Charlo Kush with Clarice is just we saw that they have they already now have a house that they can say we have seen that they have purchased even the asset and the household items. Guys, not forgetting that um, Clarice used to work for Jihan Sharif, who is one of the people that are working behind the scenes. They are among the people that are working behind the scenes to see that they destroy the relationship between Lynette and Clarice. But when she was working with her, she cannot show anything for that. And now we see that Clarice is experiencing some challenges that include with setting up a channel. We see that some of the negative reactors they have visited the Kilifi and are in communication with her, and they want to open her a channel. But guys, what I see from all this, these are just parasites. They want to, they want to use her. They want to use her popularity. But what is happening now is that Clarice is losing credibility. The situation is getting messier and messier because it is not even clear to who is behind the channels that she is opening. She do a video and she says that she has started a channel, and again, all of again, that is a scam. You see, everyone around her, everyone advising her, just wants something for themselves. And Clarice is sensing this and know this, and we can hear in one of the video she even told Jihan Sharif that I also even don't want you to be the one operating the channel. I want to do it by myself. I want my husband James to know how to record videos and shoot me. I don't want anyone to be involved, because she has been told how much or the approximate range she could be getting from doing the being the one running her channel. But she does not understand that that comes with a cost, and that cost has been being bared by Lynette and Charlo Kush. And now she is understanding that the hard way, because guys, they will take us, everyone around her. Everyone is not just sacrificing for her because they have a genuine heart. No, they just want to get popular. They just want to get the money that will come in from being, around this. But all these guys, this is something that Lynette and Chalukush have worked hard to for. They are the one that have built Clarice up to the state that she is, and she needs to understand this. She does not have the skill. She's just there as a character, and for the people that are thinking that Jalokush and Lynette will fail, they are mistaken, because they have the skills, they have the resources, and they also have the experience that is needed to be successful on what they have been doing. This is what Clarice is lacking, and I was suggesting, or I would suggest, if Clarice was wiser, or if she was to get some sound advice, it would be to she would have continued to work with Lynette and Chalukush and gain the skills, gain the experience of running the channel by herself. But see, now everyone is taking advantage of her gullibility and naivety, and also misinformation. People are misinforming her about how all this goes, but all they want is to benefit. All they want is to reap something from or get what they can get from the situation, and not in actual sense help uh, Clarice. So, guys, do let me know what you think about all this situation. We have seen this the negative reactors, Masubo One. We have seen also JT. They all went all the way to uh, uh, Mombasa or Kilifi, but we know that their intentions aren't pure. It is just everyone wants to partake in grabbing a share of the audiences, also a share of the money that may come in, because there are people that might be seeking to help Clarice, and now that is why you see all these scams are coming out in terms of channels. Everyone want to be the one to run the channel so that they can get something, and this is the jealousy that they had been feeling for, or they have been jealous of what Lynette and Charlo have been doing. But all these guys, all this situation is being created by people who do the same content, people who are doing this village cooking content. They are just jealous of what Lynette and Charlo could have achieved so far, in a short time, in 2 years, what they think will take them around 10 years to achieve, because you see some of most of them, or you see Jihan Sharif is in the middle of that, and some other that I will not mention in this video. But later, if you keep checking on the channel, I will expose all those guys that are doing the village cooking lifestyle vlogs or videos that are misinforming Clarice. So guys, let's meet in the next video.